Hello students, good morning. Yes, today we are back with our classwork of lesson 2. Yes students, what we have done? The explanation and reading of lesson 2. Okay students? Now I am again going to explain you the story that in this story there is a boy who has taken a gift from his father. And what is that gift? An axe. He chopped all the trees in the garden. When his father came into the garden and he saw everything is chopped, then what happened? The boy was afraid. The boy was afraid, but he couldn't lie with his father. So he spoke truth that he has chopped everything. Okay, students? And his father forgave him. That means his father was very happy when he knew that his boy was saying truth. Right? Yes. Now come back to the classwork. First of all, I have shown you how you have to write in the poem 1. Again I am going to tell you, you have to give the heading in the margin. Today's date, first of all, give today's date. Lesson 2 and the heading of the lesson is The Boy Who Couldn't Lie. Okay students, now in the first line just write down whatever you want to write. You can make a mark like star, arrow or exercise 1, whatever you want to do, you can do it. First of all, hard words. Hard words means what? I have written 4 hard words. The spellings, hard spellings or words, right? Some more hard words I will give you. That hard words you have to find out from your textbook. Underline that word and find out the meaning from the dictionary. Okay? Yes students. First of all, first hard word is favorite. Favorite, that you all know, whatever you like, that is called favorite. The most like, that is called favorite. What is the spelling of favorite? F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite. See. Sorry. Yes. Second one is pleased, that is happy. P-L-E-A. Pleased. S-E-D. Pleased. Okay students? Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. C. G is silent here. You should not pronounce G here. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Handle. See, when you read this word, you have to make a spelling just like that. Handle. H-A-N-D-L-E. Handle. Again I am repeating. Favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite. Pleased. P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pleased. Bright. BRIGHT, bright. Handle, 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 handle. Yes. Now it's a time of meanings. You can see meanings. Number 1, please, happy. You have to read both the meanings. I can ask you happy. If I will ask happy, then you have to write down the answer please. Okay, students? Yes. Please, 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 happy. Beautiful. Do you know the spelling of beautiful? It's very easy. BEAUTIFUL. Beautiful. You have to break the spelling and make the spelling. BEAUTIFUL. Beautiful. The meaning of beautiful is fine, lovely. Yes, students. Sometimes you can say, yeah, it's a lovely pet. Yes? Wrong. Wrong, that means incorrect. Wrong, that means incorrect. See here. Please, happy, HAPPY, happy. Beautiful, fine, lovely. Wrong, incorrect. Incorrect, what is the spelling of incorrect? See, you have to write down in and correct. CORRECT, correct. Incorrect. Okay, students? Yes, here some opposites are there for you. Happy, sad, right? Happy, sad, HAPPY, happy, SAD, sad. Afraid, brave, afraid, afraid. See, afraid. Afraid, FRA. Afraid, FRAID. Afraid. What is the opposite of afraid? Brave. 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 Afraid, brave. Angry, calm. Please, see, you can see please here, angry and please. Happy. Angry, that means आप जब गुस्सा होते हो. Calm, that means you are calm. Angry, ANGRY, angry. And the opposite of angry is calm. CALM, calm. See here, students. Here also L is silent. Silent, that is means what? If you do not pronounce that letter, that is called, it's a silent. Okay, students? Yes. Calm. See, I am saying calm. तो मैं ल बोल रही हूँ? No, I am not saying l. Calm. That is called L is silent. Yes. Happy, sad, afraid, brave, angry, calm, and please. Yes. Next one is fill in the blanks. Okay. See, I have given you some fill in the blanks. I will give you the blanks in an exam. You have to fill the right word in the blank. That is called fill in the blanks. Okay, students? One day, George's father gave him a small to play with. What his father has given that boy? X. So the spelling of X is A-X-E-X. You have to write down the right word in the blank. One day, George's father gave him a small X to play with. How dash the edge seems. Edge, that means what? The angles of the X, right? How sharp the edges were sharp. So how sharp the edge seems sharp. He knew what he had done was wrong. See here George knew what he had done was wrong. You know, whatever the George has been done was wrong. Yes, students, again I am repeating all the fill in blanks, 3 fill in the blanks. One day, George's father gave him a small X to play with. How sharp the edge seems. How sharp the edge seems. See here, D is also silent, edge. He knew, that means George knew what he had done was wrong. What he had done was wrong. Okay, students? Yes. Now I have told you that I will give you some hard words that you have to find out from your textbook. See, whatever the words I am going to tell you, you have to underline that words in your textbook. You have to find it out and underline that word and find out the meanings from your dictionary. Okay, students? See, I am not going to give you, I am going to just tell you the words. Chopped. Number 1 is chopped. 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 Loudly. 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 Then little. 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 And the next is edge. The next is edge. Chopped, loudly, little, and last one is edge. Okay, students, all these 4 words you have to find it out from your textbook, underline that word and find out the meanings from the dictionary. And if you want to write the answers with this word, you can write down at the last page of your English textbook. Yes, students. Okay? So it will useful to you. So for today it's enough. In the next lecture, I will give you some more classwork. So bye-bye, students. Be safe at your home and have a nice day.